Hi guys, it's Risa. How are you? Welcome to my kitchen again. I hope you're doing great. Thank you so much for all your lovely comments and keep posting my recipes. I like when you change them up or keep them the same. And I love that you're on my group, Weight Watcher Tips and Recipes by Risa. Don't forget to ring the bell option so you'll receive all my newest videos by email. And for my other ones, just type in my name and whatever you're looking for. Okay, my podcasts, meal prep, meal planning, grocery shopping ideas, and of course, all the different desserts and meals. So, I just finished my quinoa salad recipe and I made it for my lunches. I was going to do 3, but I had extra quinoa, so I ended up making 4, so I'll have that for the week. And I made more of my delicious chocolate meringues and I put a few sprinkles on and they're super delicious, chocolatey. I added some chocolate chips, so you can check out those recipes. And you know, I do have a sweet tooth. This journey is about indulging and enjoying guilt-free, right? Of course, you can have everything in moderation. But, you know, when you have things in the house, then you're less likely to veer, all right? You're less likely to veer. So I was checking out my cupboards and I came up with this really ridiculous, easy peasy dessert that's super fun for anybody, adults, children, okay, that you can have just for yourself or bring to a little party, or if people are coming over. It's a cute little idea, all right? So what is it? I found these cute little mini ice cream cups, okay? And for 3 is 0 smart points. I'm just gonna show you how tiny they are. Now you can use larger ice cream cups, which are, I believe, 25 calories and 1 smart point for 1, or you get the minis and you get a bunch. So for 6 of them, 1 smart point. All right, and I just bought these at Walmart, great value, wherever you can find them. And then I happen to have this Marshmallow Fluff. I like to just have a tablespoon of it. Now, for 2.5 tablespoons, it is 3 smart points. Yes, let me just calculate. I think it's 3, or was it 2? I think it's 3. Let me just check again because sometimes I forget. I have my calculator. So it's 50 calories, 0 fat, sugars, and protein is 0.1. It's 2 smart points. Okay, I thought so. Well, I thought it was 3. 2 smart points, okay? And I love sugar-free chocolate chips because we're gonna make a s'mores cone. So we can have s'mores, s'mores, okay? And for the Sensato sugar-free chocolate chips, 1 tablespoon is 1 smart point. If you use just a few, you don't have to count it, all right? But if you're, you know, you're really serious, 1 tablespoon is only 1 smart point. The other thing that I love is these honey-made crumbs, okay? The Graham wafers. You can use real Graham crackers and crush them up. For 2 tablespoons, it's 3 smart points. We're gonna use a teaspoon, actually a half a teaspoon, which will be 0 smart points, all right? So you're just using a drop. Now, if you want to use more, you know my recipes are versatile and you can do whatever you like. The other option, if you want, I mean, I don't really put almonds on s'mores, but you can. I always have some slivered almonds as a, you know, an option. You could use some cute sprinkles. Why not? Make it cute, make it fun, you know, make it enjoyable. So really easy to assemble. I have my fluff already measured out and super easy. Add as much or as little as you want, okay? And then we're just going to add a little bit. You could either just dip it into the crumbs like that, okay? Or just sprinkle a little bit on top with a couple of chocolate chips. And voila, you have your s'more cone, okay? And again, if you want to add some almonds, you can, but these are super, super delicious, and you can put it on a cute tray and serve them, or again, just as a little snack for a little treat. I'm going to add a little bit more, and it won't be much, like in terms of smart points, and they are super delicious and sweet. So I'm not going to do all of them. I'll do one more. I'm going to fill this one more for some more. Ah, I broke it. Don't break it. All right, we'll do another one. Be gentle with it. Okay, we're going to be gentle with it. All right, now add a little bit of the crumbs and some chocolate chips. And that is it. Simple, ridiculously easy for your s'mores treat in your s'more cone, so you can have as much as you want or as little as you want. You want just 3? You can have 3. And you're not counting the cones, you're just counting the inside. You want 6, it's 1 smart point, and then 2 for the fluff. So 3 smart points, depending on if you use a lot of chocolate chips or not. It could be 4 and up to 5 smart points for the whole recipe, depending on what you decide. So, you know, my recipes are versatile. How cute is that? Okay. And enjoy your sweet tooth like Risa, like me, because I do have one. So that's it. Easy peasy. Check out my other recipes for fun, easy recipes that you'll enjoy for any occasion, all right? And that's it. Take care. Tell me what you think. Bye for now. Mwah.